All right, this is part two of credit. Now, this is coming at it from the side of being in financial freedom stage one. Remember, this is when you're feeling underwater, you're feeling overwhelmed about your situation, the monthly bills, the monthly debt. It's just feeling overwhelmed. So yesterday we talked about consolidating those loans. Absolutely great step to start feeling some relief. The next step is usually at this stage your credit score has suffered for different reasons. You've been late, or you have defaults, charge-offs, whatever it is. And so it's time to start thinking about how to rebuild that credit so you can get access to more money, better credit in the future, and also just to be in a better place. So the most important thing is to pay on time. Start paying on time, pay at least the minimum, but obviously we want to get out of high interest debt, so more than the minimum is better. And then, depending on what it is, we gotta find a plan or the right person to help you. So we're good to a certain degree, but there are credit repair experts that we can recommend that we love. But building that credit back up will be key to getting a cheaper car loan, to getting a home loan in the future. So let's get to work. Let's find that freedom. Thank you.